Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change eBay username on your eBay account. So first of all, you need to log into your eBay. You can see I'm logged into my computer. This is my eBay username, so we're going to change it to something different. So you can go on to just hover your mouse onto here on your eBay name, and then go on to account settings. And then personal information. He might ask you to log in again, and then username. So this is the username, so I'm going to change it. So click on edit and type in your preferred username. So I'm going to name under my website, it's called the PC Repair World, and just click save. Just so you know, you can only change eBay username once in every 30 days. So eBay has sent a message saying change username again after 10/11/2023, so after about a month. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.